Welcome to Brain Vision.
Well, we have the linebacker's mass, MA, that is equal to 110 kilogram. And also we have halfback's mass, MB. Well, MB is equal to 85 kilogram. And let plus x axis be east and plus y axis be north, right? So we have VA1x is equal to 0, VA1y is equal to 8.8 meter per second, and VB1x is equal to 7.2 meter per second, and VB1y is equal to 0. Well, we need to find out VA2, right, and then VB2. Well, for an isolated system, the total momentum before the collision equals the total momentum after the collision. So P1 is equal to P2. And for two particles, well, this can be written as PA1 plus PB1 is equal to PA2 plus PB2, right? And we know that momentum is given by mass times velocity. Well, momentum is equal to mass times velocity, and therefore we can write the collision equation in the following form: MA times VA1 plus MB times VB1 is equal to MA times VA2 plus MB times VB2. Well, let's call this equation number 1. Well, for two-dimensional motion, this equation becomes MA times VA1x plus MB times VB1x, that is equal to MA times VA2x plus MB times VB2x. Well, let's call this equation 2a. And for y direction, we have MA times VA1y plus MB times VB1y, and that is equal to MA times VA2y plus MB times VB2y, and let's call this equation 2b, right? And now we do calculations. Well, since the field is very muddy and the forces that the linebacker and the halfback are exerting on each other is very large, then we can say that the external net horizontal force on the system is approximately 0, and so the momentum is conserved. Also, since the two players move together immediately after the collision, so they have the same final velocity, and therefore we have VA2x is equal to VB2x, and that is equal to V2x, and also VA2y is equal to VB2y, right? And that is equal to V2y. Okay. And now let's plug in values in equation 2a, right? Then we have 110 into 0 plus 85 into 7.2. Well, that is equal to 110 times V2x plus 85 times V2x. And solving for V2x, well, V2x is equal to 3.14 meter per second. And also, we substitute values in equation 2b, then we have 110 into 8.8 plus 85 into 0. Well, that is equal to 110 times V2y plus 85 times V2y, right? And V2y v to y is equal to 4.96 meter per second, right? Now let's find out v. Well, v is root v to x whole square plus v to y square, and that is equal to root 3.14 square plus 4.96 square, and that gives us 5.87 meter per second. Now let's find out theta. Well, theta is equal to tan inverse into 4.96 divided by 3.14, that is equal to 57.7 degrees.